Awaji Materia Limited was established in 1944 and is one of Japan's most mechanized manufacturers of carbon steel butt weld fittings under the Awaji brand. In 1987, Awaji Materia Thailand was established and has since then contributed greatly to maintaining the good reputation of Awaji brand in the world markets with a monthly capacity of 2,000 metric tons. Today, Awaji consists of two manufacturing divisions. One is for carbon steel and alloy steel butt weld fittings. The other factory manufactures stainless steel butt weld fittings under Tubasex, Awaji Thailand, a joint venture with Awaji. Our butt weld fittings are manufactured using materials supplied by first-class pipe manufacturers in accordance with international standards and specifications. we have continued to expand our production facilities to develop higher quality and more production volume by leveraging automation. With a commitment to develop products that meet world-class quality and standards, Awaji continuously strives to develop the potential of our employees in various fields, including giving importance to workplace safety as well as employee hygiene. Awaji has received international accreditation for ISO 9001, JIS, and PED. We have also been approved by many international oil and gas companies. We are capable of producing sizes up to 24 inches at our own facility. Apart from those standards, we also produce special quality fitting products which are used in heat exchangers and boiler applications. For sizes larger than 24 inches, we can supply from our associated company. Our sales activity spans the globe with prominent customers from the United States, Singapore, Indonesia, Japan, the Middle East, Africa, Canada, and Europe. Here at Awaji Thailand, we strive every day to deliver top quality products to our customers with responsibility, integrity, and excellence.